so divine, but Naba dreams of kites up high, flying freely in the sky. Butterflies and birds will sing, flowers bloom in early spring, slides and swings and games all day. That's how Naba wants to play.